Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boaz-TCC and I'm the proud owner of the tax and credit community, where I focus on taxes, credit, entity setup, bookkeeping, and financial coaching. And in today's video, I'll be talking about a topic that I think needs a bigger voice, and that is my top 5 red flags that I think you need to look out for when in the market for a credit rebuild company. All right guys, let's get started. First red flag, if any credit rebuild company is asking for a large sum of money, that should be a given. You haven't even seen any results yet and they're asking for a big wad of cash, stop the cap. Right then and there, run, shut the door, say God bless you, don't do it. It should be a one-time setup fee and a monthly subscription. That's it, that's simple. Anything other than that, not acceptable. All right guys, number 2, my second red flag. If any credit repair company is offering a white glove service, that is just simply not true. I know you've been in a situation where you don't know what's happening, you don't know when they send the letters, you don't know what's going on. That is not acceptable. You should be in the loop. They should be contacting you month to month. Every time they take that payment, you should get a rebuttal. Every time. They should report to you because you're paying for the service, and guess what? They work for you. That is why that is very important. They should be going over your credit monitoring with you at all times. And you should feel good about it. You should feel like your money is working hard for you. In any case, if this bond and this rapport is not established, that should be your second red flag. You should be able to celebrate your triumphs with your credit bill company, because guess what? They make good on their promises. I should be hitting you up, blowing up your phone and telling you, hey, check out that credit score. Guess what I did for you? It should be more in the lines of that rather than guessing, waiting game, sitting back, maybe be results. All right guys, number 3. My third red flag you should look out for when you are in the market for a credit rebuild company is credit education. It should be always credit education given to you, because the point is you're here, life happened, things happen, something went left, and we need to help you educate. We need to help you with tools, help you with programs. It should be more than credit cards just helping you with your credit, because that's just not the case. There's way more out there than just credit cards to help you rebuild your credit. And if anyone is just pushing credit cards, nope. That, sir, is called fake news. Number 3, red flag. All right, guys, my number 4. My fourth red flag you should look out for when in the market for a credit rebuild company is the plan. There should be a well-explained, well-drawn-out plan for your credit rebuild journey. It should be a call. You give in details on your situation, what you plan to get from the program, and then there's a rebuttal on how we're going to get you there. From the disputes to the credit cards to the second action, third, so forth, so forth. But a lot of times I know that I've been there. There have just been, I'm just going to sit back, wait, and see the results. You should be notified. There should be a conversation. There should be a bond. There should be a connection. There should be way more information that you ask for every time. So that is my 4th red flag. All right, guys, we have arrived at number 5. My 5th and final red flag you should look out for when you are looking for a credit rebuild company or person, and that is the person. The person that signed you up for the program is the person that you should be dealing with, unless there is an introduction to another credit specialist. But you should be dealing with that one person. See, at the tax and credit community, you are well taken care of. I want to know why you signed up for the program. I want to know what you plan to gain, and then I'm going to give you an honest answer of what I can produce and what you will achieve. And I go to a war for you at the credit bureaus, and then I educate you simultaneously so you have credit growth, and then I'm defending you and battle the whole time. We're doing 2 things at once. This is what you get here at the tax credit community. But if you got anything out of this video, anything that I have said, please like, follow, subscribe, and please join me on the next video.